Hello students, today I am going to discuss Coulomb's law. So this fundamental law of electrical science also referred as inverse square law. Few basic things that I have already discussed in the last video, that matter can be electrically charged and charges can be positive, negative or neutral. So according to this law, if two charged bodies kept at a distance, then they will experience an attractive or an repulsive force depending upon the nature of the charge on the bodies. Now if the bodies are oppositely charged, then they will attract. And if they are having same nature of charge, then they will repel. As you can see. Now, if you increase Q1 keeping Q2 unchanged, then the force obviously increases. Similarly, if you increase Q2 keeping Q1 fixed, then also the force will increase. So now similarly, if you reduce the amount of charge Q1, then also the force of attraction will decrease. So from this we can conclude that the force depends on the amount of charge Q1, also Q2, and combinedly we can say it is directly proportional to the product of the charges Q1 and Q2. Now it is also a function of the distance. If you decrease the distance r between the two spares Q1 and Q2, then the force will increase. As I already mentioned that it follows inverse square law, so the force will be proportional to 1 by r square. So combining these two factors, we can write F proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. Now this force is not same for every medium. Say in air it is having some force, but if you replace the medium keeping all the things fixed, say if you take two spherical objects in water, then it will experience different force. So this variation of force according to the medium is determined by a constant K. So here is the value of K, which is a constant. So I will discuss in brief about this in my next lecture. So finally, from this Coulomb's law, we can find out the nature of the force, whether it is attractive or repulsive, in a very simple manner. As you can see, Q1 is positive, and also if the charge Q2 is positive, then we know the product of two positive number is a positive. Hence the force is positive, so it is repulsive. Similarly, the product of two negative numbers is also a positive number, hence the force is positive, so it will repel. Now the product of positive and negative is negative, and negative force means it is of attraction. So hope you like the video. So my upcoming lecture will be on dielectric constant. Thank you very much for watching.